Inflation is a term that refers to the decrease in the value of money over time, meaning that as inflation rises, the same amount of money buys fewer goods and services. It occurs when the general price level of goods and services in an economy increases over a period, leading to a decline in the purchasing power of a currency. Essentially, inflation means that the cost of living rises, and your money becomes worth less than before. To understand this concept better, let's imagine an example. Suppose you have $100 in your pocket today. With that $100, you can buy 10 chocolates, and each chocolate costs $10. However, 1 year later, the price of the chocolate increases due to inflation. Now, the same 10 chocolates cost $12 each. Even though you still have the same $100, you can now only afford 8 chocolates instead of 10. This is the result of inflation. Your $100 has lost some of its value. And you can buy fewer items for the same amount of money. Inflation can be caused by various factors, and there are different types of inflation that can occur depending on the causes behind it. One major cause is an increase in demand for goods and services, which exceeds the supply. When demand for certain products rises but the supply remains limited, producers may raise prices to take advantage of the increased demand. This is known as demand pull inflation. For example, if more people want to buy a specific type of car, the price of that car might rise because of the increased demand, even if the number of cars available for sale doesn't change. Another cause of inflation is an increase in production costs, often due to higher costs of raw materials or labor. This type of inflation is called cost-push inflation. If the cost of oil increases, for example, transportation companies may raise their prices to cover the higher cost of fuel. As a result, the price of goods that rely on transportation, like food and consumer goods, will increase as well. Inflation also occurs when there is an increase in the money supply within an economy. If a government prints more money without increasing the number of goods and services available, the value of the money decreases. This is because more money chasing the same amount of goods leads to price increases. Central banks, like the Federal Reserve in the US, can control inflation by adjusting interest rates and money supply. If inflation becomes too high, central banks may increase interest rates to make borrowing more expensive, which can help slow down spending and reduce inflation. Inflation has both positive and negative effects on the economy. On the positive side, a moderate level of inflation is often seen as a sign of a growing economy. It encourages consumers to spend and invest rather than hoarding money, as they know prices will likely rise in the future. Additionally, inflation can benefit borrowers. For instance, if you take out a loan when inflation is low, the value of the money you repay in the future may be worth less in real terms. On the negative side, high inflation can erode purchasing power and reduce the standard of living, especially for people on fixed incomes like retirees. If the cost of goods rises faster than wages, people may find it harder to afford necessities. Furthermore, businesses may struggle with planning and long-term investment decisions due to the uncertainty that high inflation creates. For example, imagine you had $10,000 saved up in the bank. If inflation is at 5% per year, after 1 year, the purchasing power of your savings would be reduced by 5%. This means that the $10,000 would be able to buy what $9,500 could buy today. Even though you still have $10,000, your money doesn't stretch as far because inflation has increased the price of goods and services. To measure inflation, economists often use the Consumer Price Index (CPI), which tracks the prices of a basket of goods and services typically purchased by households. The CPI is calculated by comparing the current prices of these goods and services to the prices from a base year. If the CPI rises, It indicates that the general price level of goods and services has increased, meaning inflation is occurring. In short, inflation refers to the rise in the overall price levels in an economy, which reduces the purchasing power of money. While moderate inflation is often a sign of economic growth, high inflation can create problems such as reduced purchasing power and increased uncertainty in the economy. Understanding inflation is important because it affects everyone's daily life, whether it's the cost of food, transportation, or saving for the future.